Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide videos on TikTok. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up TikTok on your mobile device. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now you can tap on the video that you want to private. Tap on the three dots that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Now swipe all the way to your left. Tap on Privacy Settings. Select Only Me. And that's it. This is how you hide a video on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click on the bell icon too, so you'll know when we upload a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.